Hello everyone, Jimmy from Jimmy Talks Tech here, taking you behind the scenes on a corporate shoot of mine. This is a fairly standard corporate shoot for a pizza oven company. The shoot that we just did had two presenters standing here side by side, cooking and demoing their product. So I'm going to go behind the scenes and show you what that looked like. So from the viewer's point of view, we had the tight shot, the two shot, we have the top down shot, which they'll show the actual cooking of the pizza here, and then we have slides, and we also have a screen share of one of the presenters' phones as they were demoing the app for the product. So that's what the viewer sees. Now let's go behind the scenes and show you what it looks like. So this is what the other side of the shoot looks like. I'm going to talk you through what we have here. So a fairly simple lighting setup. We have two Aperture Amaran 300Ds set to 100% with just a generic octagon softbox on them. That just makes them nice and bright and makes sure everything can be seen. Here is the top-down camera. That is a GH5, or is that a 5S? Can't remember. It's either a GH5 or a GH5s. That top-down camera feeds into the comfort monitor here so that the person doing the cooking can easily see what's in frame and what's not in frame. That's then looped through into the Atem Extreme. Here is the behind the scenes look. So we have two cameras here, the tight and the wide. That's a GH5s and a GH6. As I said, they are both fed into the Atem Extreme, and that's the brains of the operation. The multi-view that you can see here shows all the different angles. So we have the camera 1, which is actually an Apple AirPlay, which is plugged in, an Apple TV, which is plugged in there. That actually takes the feed, the screen share from one of the presenters' phones as they demo one of the apps that they want to demo. Camera 2 is the wide. Camera 3 is the tight shot. Camera 4 is the top-down shot. As I said, top-down shot over there. That's just clipped onto a C stand, nothing overly fancy there. That's camera 4, and then camera 5, or I think camera 8, as I've got it plugged into, is the slideshow. So here's our multi-view. So as the presenters are chatting, we would mainly show the slides and possibly do a picture-in-picture with the close-up of the person talking. When it got to a specific part of the presentation, however, we would show the super screen here. Now, this is just a black screen because there's nothing actually connected to the Apple TV, but this would be the screenshot of the contributor's iPhone, and that would show that would demo the app that they wanted to talk about, along with the bigger screen here of the two shot of the contributors. That's fed from the Atem into a client's laptop, and then they output that over Zoom or Teams, depending on the client's client and what they want to do. So there we have it. That's the behind the scenes. If we go way back here, see if you can fit everything in. So to recap, two Aperture 300Ds to light everything, two Panasonic GH cameras, a GH5s and a GH6, another GH5 over there doing the top-down angle, using the XLR1 unit with a Rode Wireless Go, which is what I'm wearing just now, so I can actually show you that. Sorry, a Rode Wireless Pro that fed into the camera, which in turn feeds into the Atem, and control audio from here. I always do it this way, bringing audio in via the camera rather than into the mic input at the back here. I always do that because it just keeps everything in sync audio-wise. So if we go back to the multi-view there, that's everything there. The only thing you can't see is the feed from the iPhone screen share because that's not hooked up right now. So there we have it. That's a quick tour of a multicam live stream shoot that's fairly typical for what I do. Let me know in the comments if it's anything similar to your setup. If there's any questions about how this is set up, feel free to ask away, and I will catch you in the next video.